In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my device in Google Play Store. To start, it's important to note that you cannot manually replace one device with another in Google Play Store. Instead, you will need to sign into the same Google account on your new device. This is a crucial step because Google Play will automatically recognize your account and add your new device. By using the same Google account, you ensure that all your previous purchases, subscriptions, and app history are seamlessly accessible on your new device. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you want to access your favorite apps without having to start over. Once that is done, let's move on to installing an app on your other device. Start by opening the Google Play Store on the device you are currently using. This is where you can find millions of apps to choose from. The Google Play Store interface is user-friendly, and you will see sections for games, apps, and even movies. This familiarity makes it easy to navigate. Take your time to explore the layout if you wish, as knowing where everything is can make your app searching experience smoother. Now let's search for the app you want to install. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the app you are looking for. As you type, suggestions may pop up beneath the search bar, which can help you find the app faster. This feature is convenient because it saves you from typing the full name if a suggestion matches. Pay attention to the app icons and descriptions to ensure you choose the correct one. This careful selection is essential for installing the right app and avoiding confusion later. Next, once you've found the app, tap on it to view more details. Here you will see information such as the app's rating, reviews, and screenshots. This is important because it gives you a sense of the app's quality and functionality before downloading it. If the app has good ratings and feedback, it's usually a good sign that it will meet your needs. Take a moment to read through the reviews if you have any doubts. This will help reassure you that you are making a sound choice. After you have confirmed that this is the app you want, look for the down arrow icon next to the Install button. Tap the down arrow. This action opens a new menu where you will see a list of all devices linked to your Google account. It's a quick and easy way to choose which device you want to install the app on. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple devices, as it allows you to install apps without needing to switch devices constantly. Now, select your other device from the list. Make sure to choose the correct one as you want the app to be installed on the intended device. This step is crucial because it ensures that the app goes to the right location, allowing you to access it as soon as it's installed. Once you select your device, you can proceed with the installation. Finally, tap Install to complete the process. Once you do this, Google Play will begin downloading the app to your selected device. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the installation has started. This is a reassuring sign that everything is proceeding as planned. You'll receive a notification once the app is successfully installed on your other device, making it easy to find and start using your new app. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change your device in Google Play Store. By following these steps, you can easily manage your app installations across multiple devices.